how to fix Valorant error code 7 easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do, just type here. First type here device manager, and now click display adapters, right click on any GPU here that you want, like this one, update driver, and click search automatically for drivers, and then enable all GPUs here, all the drivers, and then go to network adapters and update all those drivers, and that's it. After that, type here services, scroll down until you find VGC. Once you're here, right click on VGC, go to properties, make it automatic, click apply and OK, then click restart here, and that's it. Restart your PC, and that's it, your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.